Привет всем, это канал Fusion Draga. Сегодня будем снимать челлендж убить всех полицейских в игре Saints Row 4. Как вы думаете, стоит ли снимать видеоролики про эту игру? Напишите в комментариях, там и обсудим, будет ли следующий ролик или нет. Не буду вас томить, go смотреть этот ролик.
All you had to do was ask. So what are we standing around for?
Drive! Saints rule even here.
So Sean is still giving you shit?
What I did to piss that girl off?
Man, you didn't do a damn thing. It's just your way of showing.
That was wrong.
Yo, you're like a brother to her, Pierce. Always have been. Believe me. She looks up to you more than you know.
Wow, no shit? Huh. I guess maybe that makes sense. I mean, I always thought of her like a little sister.
Yeah, what the hell do I know? I've been stuck up on this damn shit for years.
And I was just beginning to feel better. Thank you, Johnny.
UFO!
Spaceship overhead!
UFO!
No problem.
So, we went from Stillwater to Stillport to Whitehall. And now we're on a alien ship, floating in space, hooking our minds into some computer-generated simulation.
That about sums it up. Yeah.
Huh. Wow.
You think he's gone crazy, don't you?
Yeah, pretty much.
There's no way to fight a lady.
Yo, Shondi. So how's it been?
Fine, just fine.
Not very convincing, though.
Well, what did you expect? I thought I'd listen to you die. I thought that if we'd only gone back for you, we could have stopped it.
I didn't die. And besides, that wouldn't have been on you.
That doesn't change what it's been like for me all these years. I really thought I lost you.
Yo, Shondi, look. I'm sorry you had to go through that. But I'm here now. Alive and kicking. That counts for something, right?
Yeah. But I just can't go through that again.
Shondi,
Thanks. time. You know, gangsters in space, that's kind of ironic now.
Вот и подошел конец этого ролика. Мои друзья, подпишитесь на мой канал, ставьте свои царские мощные лайки, поделитесь этим видосом всем своим друзьям, помогите развиваться моему каналу и напишите в комментах, какой челлендж выбрать в этой игре, и я это обязательно для вас сниму. Я прощаюсь с вами до следующего видоса, всем удачи и всем пока.